Hello everyone. So today I'm making my famous chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are great because they're healthy and you can freeze them, and when you take them out of the freezer they're good as new, so you can stock up. So it's basically 2 cups and 2/3 of a cup of oat flour, half of a cup of sorghum flour that I've already combined here, and I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So you just mix your dry ingredients. A little bit better than this, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And then in here I've got the wet ingredients. So I've got half a cup of almond butter, half a cup of applesauce, half a cup of coconut sugar, half a cup of date paste. I made the date paste myself by soaking some dates in some water and then blending. I try to put as little water as possible because I like a thicker, sweeter date paste, but that's entirely up to you. I have 2 tablespoons of ground up flax seeds, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then you just mix this up. So you just add your dry ingredients, so the 2 flours, baking soda, and salt, and blend that together. This is a cookie dough, so it's going to be quite thick. Now that I'm done combining the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, I will add my inclusions. Here you can pretty much put anything you want. I like to put oats, about a rounded half cup of oats. Same thing with walnuts and chocolate chips, everybody's favorite. Now you blend again. And now that that's mixed, we form our cookies. Now I find the dough a little bit sticky, so I have some water handy, and I just use water to moisten my hands, and it makes it easier to shape the cookies. So you just take a bit of dough and you shape it the way you like it. This is generally how I do it. And these cookies don't really spread. Put them fairly close together. And that's it. I'll just keep making cookies. I'm just going to put the cookies in a 350-degree oven for 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes has gone by. I'm just taking them out of the oven. So here they are, just out of the oven. They haven't gotten a whole lot bigger. I leave them 8 minutes because I like them a little softer. If you like them a little bit more firm and crumbly, you can leave them longer. So that's it. Enjoy.